Hi, 7th graders. So we are over halfway done with this online learning stuff. So congrats, you guys are doing awesome. So this week is your 5th week. We are going to be at April 27th through May 1st. So if you scroll down on the class schedule, you'll see this video right here, which is 9.4 volume of a Prism video. This is different, okay? I am not making you take a video quiz over it. All you have to do is just watch the video. That's it. And then after that, the activities you have to do is a 9.4 big ideas and then a volume of a Prism quizzes. So basically, you don't have a video quiz, but you still have to watch that video. And then you do the big ideas and the volume of a Prism quizzes. Also, this week on Tuesday or Thursday, if you come to my Zoom meeting, you will get 10 points extra credit. So it's just extra points, just bump up that grade a little bit more towards the end of the year. So that is about it. Have a great week. I'm looking forward to talking to you. Bye.